because I normally help university students, you know, tutor and so forth. And I'm seeing what they are confronting. So that's why this is still valid, even though you can easily do it in Excel, but it's working because I think the reason why they have been trained to play with the numbers, okay? Because if you run to the calculator and you run to the app, then you're running away from the numbers and then you're becoming less able to deal with the numbers itself to make decisions. So that's why I think they are still allowing the students to do it manually. So please take this very seriously. And what is the sum of our x squareds? Anybody?
6597.
659 87
97.
659
19.
6597. Now that's 6597. We have to multiply it to 7 to n. And what did you get?
9501.
9501. Okay, so we're moving on now to the sum of x all squared. Okay, so this, please know the difference between the two. Here we are summing the squares. We're summing the squares. Here we are squaring the sum. We have the sum already, which is 181. Like a little tongue twister. The sum of the squares. The square of the sum. So here's the sum. We want to square the sum. So that I normally call this area the easy peasy. Very. We have done the hard work already because we have summed the x's. So we just square 181. So that's how much. Anybody? Hello?
32,761.
32,761. 32,761. Okay, so please note the difference. Here we have to square first and then sum. Here we sum and we square because.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
For the part where you have to square and then sum, why is 659 and not 6,597?
Where? Oh, there. Oh, I forgot to carry down the 7. Yeah. Thanks. I think it was deleted, yeah.
So that is not the answer.
And the answer, of course.
And what's the answer?
4612.
4612.
46179.
All right, so that's what I'm saying. Not just follow also and watch and do, but also be writing, also be doing it. Okay. By doing it, you will pick it up because math is a skill. Okay. So moving on to the square y first and then sum. The sum of the squares of y. We have to find the squares of the y first. The first square of the y was found. Okay. The first square of the y was found. Verify if that's the true value. The next y is 76. As I'm doing that, you can be writing and you can be writing and actually doing it. Okay. Right. You can be writing and actually doing it. The next one is 76. Okay. And the next one is 45. We have 45 already. Then we have 79. Then we have 99. Then we have 92. Then we have 22. So what's 76 squared?
Plus 79, not 22.
79, not 22, exactly. So what's 76 squared?
5,776.
5 what?
5,776.
Was 45 squared. Was 79 squared.
Six two four one.
Was 99 squared.
9,801.
Was 92 squared.
8464.
And was 79 squared. And was the sum of the squares of y.
40573.
4057.
3.
All right, it's the first time I'm teaching, well, I'm discussing Pearson's in that way, and I comparing it to face, and you know, there's a great, you know, there's a lot of advantages with this approach. The disadvantages, I think, is more or less in the technology. Limitations was the multiplication of those two numbers, because we have to multiply by n times the sum of y squared. Okay, n, which is 7 times, because we are finding the sum of y squared. So we have to multiply 7 by 4573.
So 284011.